President Obama is telling senators to do their job and keep an open mind on his next Supreme Court nominee. Senate Republicans vow to reject whomever the president recommends to succeed Justice Antonin Scalia, who died on Saturday. Scalia's courtroom chair is draped in black this morning. His funeral is scheduled for Saturday. In Washington, Jan Crawford is outside the Supreme Court looking at the battle over filling that seat. Jan, good morning.
Well, good morning. So in that news conference, the president really laid out his arguments over why his nominee should get a hearing, although no word yet, of course, on who that nominee will be.
I expect them to hold hearings. I expect there to be a vote.
President Obama started a campaign of sorts, calling for his eventual Supreme Court nominee to be given a hearing.
The Constitution is pretty clear about what is supposed to happen now.
But the Constitution only says for a nominee to be confirmed, the president must get the advice and consent of the Senate. Republicans, with the Supreme Court in the balance, say they can't imagine a nominee they'd consent to. During the press conference, the president took aim at what he called an obstructionist Senate. But a reporter pointed out that then Senator Obama voted for a filibuster of President Bush's 2006 nomination of Justice Samuel Alito.
When I examine the philosophy, ideology, and record of Samuel Alito, I am deeply troubled.
You make sure that a well-qualified candidate is able to join the bench, even if you don't particularly agree with them.
Supreme Court nominations are all but guaranteed to be hard-fought. In 1987, Democrats refused to confirm Judge Robert Bork. Later, they tried to derail the nomination of Justice Clarence Thomas. This time, it's Republicans, for now, who are united.
We are one liberal justice away from the Supreme Court ordering 10 Commandments monuments torn down.
Foreshadowing how brutal the fight ahead may be, Hillary Clinton suggested the president's race has something to do with the Republican opposition.
Some are even saying he doesn't have the right to nominate anyone, as if somehow he's not the real president.
Now, Clinton accused many Republicans of using what she said was, quote, coded racial language in their arguments against the president. I mean, that just shows here we are, 4 days after Scalia's death, and the gloves are already off in his fight over his successor. Gail?
All right. Thank you very much, Jan.